Meantime, there is plenty of work to be done tonight on the upcoming murder trial. A judge could decide to move the case out of Orlando in a week. And we uncovered some new developments just today. Holly Bristow is at the Orange County Courthouse tonight to explain all of that. Holly, what'd you find out?
Well, a couple of big things that may have gotten lost in the shuffle of all the chaos today. Number one, Judge Stan Strickland, he is the judge that is presiding over the state's case against Casey Anthony. He sent down an order today saying that it is mandatory from here on out that Casey Anthony appear at every single hearing that they have here at the Orange County Courthouse in her case. The judge is also keeping his eye on three new things that popped up with some motions that were filed in the courthouse.
Today we learned that the interviews the Orange County Sheriff's Office and FBI did with Jose Baez's former private investigator Dominic Casey are now sealed and are in the hands of Judge Stan Strickland. Dominic Casey now works for George and Cindy Anthony. Within the last 2 weeks, investigators have questioned Dominic Casey regarding pictures he took in the wooded area a month before a meter reader found Kaylee's remains. You may recall on January 8th, Baez asked the judge to appoint a special master from the court to make sure Dominic Casey didn't break attorney-client privilege in those interviews. Right now, Judge Stan Strickland is reviewing the sealed copy of those taped interviews. He will decide if attorney-client privilege was broken before handing those taped interviews over to the state attorney's office and the defense. Jose Baez also filed 2 new documents. Baez amended his witness list, specifically adding Casey's immediate family, her ex-fiancé Jesse Grund and his father, scientists from the Oak Ridge Laboratory, the body farm in Tennessee that tested the air samples from Casey Anthony's car, as well as some of Casey Anthony's closest friends. Also on the list, Dr. Michael Sigmund. He's the forensic scientist from UCF who did the first air sample test on the car and got inconclusive results. Baez also filed an amended application for ducis tecum, which basically means he's now narrowing the information he wants from Texas EquiSearch specifically to the volunteers who searched on Suburban Drive near where Kaylee was found. He also wants records, diagrams, and maps relating to their search of that wooded area.
Now, I just got off the phone with Mark Nejame. He is now the attorney for Texas EquiSearch. He tells me that he is aware of the amended motion that Jose Baez filed in court. He tells me that he is preparing his response and he will be opposing Baez's motion. We can expect something to be filed here early next week. For now, reporting live at the courthouse, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News at 10.